So this is the two-way traffic light system model, and it is already simulating. Look at over here, the sequence of light that is turning on and off in a particular pattern. So we'll use this model and we'll use the system to implement in Proteus software. Okay, let's look at the code behind it. If you look at the code, these are R1, red, yellow and green light for the first lane. Okay, these are the three light system for the first lane, and red, yellow and green, three light system for the second lane. First lane is connected to pin number 1, 2 and 3. Red light of first lane is connected to pin number 1. Yellow light of first lane is connected to pin number 2. Green light of first lane is connected to pin number 3 of Arduino Uno. And for the second lane, red light is connected to pin number 4, yellow light to pin number 5, green light to pin number 6. Okay, so we'll design a system in Proteus and we'll give this connection. Then we'll follow this pattern, how to turn on and turn off the light one after other in a particular sequence to implement this two-way traffic light system. Okay, and so you can visualize the simulation over here. So this is our model we are going to use to implement our own system in Proteus. Okay, now let's go back to Proteus. In Proteus, after you implement the one-way traffic light system, add 3 more LED lights, red, yellow and green, so that one set of light for the first lane, another set of light for the second lane, and you need to rename the pin connection to avoid conflict. So this is the block diagram of the two-lane system, and let's simulate the system in Proteus. Okay, so change the pin number of the first lane. Let's connect the red to pin number 1. Pin number 2 over here for the yellow of the first lane. Then pin number 3 for the green for the of the first lane. Again for the second lane, make it simple like this: 4, 5, 6. Okay, red. Let's connect to 4 according to the Tinkercad simulation. Pin number 4. Pin number 5. Then pin number 6 for the green. Okay, for the second lane. Okay, so I think first lane pin number 1, 2 and 3, second lane pin number 4, 5 and 6. So let's go to the Visual Designer. Initially I think what you can do on the setup, make sure all the LEDs are off. This is LED 1, LED 2, LED 3 are off, and similarly 4, 5 and 6. Initially all the LEDs are off. Okay, initially make all the layers off. In the loop section, if you look at the coding, you see, first make the green light of LED 1 high, and when the green light of LED 1 is high, you see, look at over here, red light of LED 2 is high. Okay, that is when one lane is green, other lane is red. So make it, that means green. Third LED, that is a green LED on lane 1, that is high. At the same time, red light of lane 2. This is the lane number 4 is the red light. Okay, that will be on. Agree with the code. So look at over here. First lane green is high, second lane red is high. Then give a delay of 10 seconds. Delay 10 seconds. This is the delay. (10-second) delay. So change the unit to second. Okay, 10-second delay. Okay. So this portion is done. Again, look at the coding. And then for the first lane, red is low. For the first lane, yellow is low. Okay. So red and yellow low for the first lane. So for the first lane, this is the red and this is the yellow. They are low. That means they are off. Second lane, again yellow. Second lane, that this is the yellow one. They are off. Again, look at the algorithm. Then when they are off, for the second lane, first lane, red is off, yellow is off. For the second lane, yellow is off again, green is off. Okay. For the second lane, yellow is off. This portion. For the second lane, yellow is off and green is off. Second lane lights are 4, 5, and 6. This is the yellow is off and green is off. Light number 6 of second lane. Okay. So again, look at the coding. Then for the first lane, what we do? Green we make low and yellow we make high for the first lane. Okay, look at over here. For the first lane we make green low and yellow high. For the first lane we make green low.
এখানে যে লাইটগুলো অফ রাখছিল কিন্তু আমরা অলরেডি অফ ইনিশিয়ালি অফ এই পজিশনে রাখছি না, তার কারণে এটা অফ করা লাগবে। শুধু যে দুইটা লাইট ফার্স্ট অন করলাম ওই দুইটা।
Okay, over here follow the algorithm. Initially we just keep it off by default. Okay, but when we run it, initial setup run just on one time. But this algorithm inside the loop, it will run again and again. So you need to do it in the loop. Okay, that means initial setup just on only one time. This will not run again. So you need to do it separately in the loop because this is a loop that will follow. Okay, so in the loop what happens? Green is low and yellow is high for the first lane. Lane number 3 is the green for the first lane, that is low. and yellow is the lead number 2 for the first lane. Yellow is high. This is lead number 2 of the first lane, that's yellow. Okay, that is on. So if you look at the pattern, then for the second lane you make yellow high. Look at over here. Second lane yellow high. So for the second lane yellow lead number 5, that is on. Let me just increase the space. Okay, that's for the second lane. We make lead number 5, yellow is high. After that, what we do? There's a delay of 5 seconds. There's a delay of 5 seconds. So we give the delay of 5 seconds. Change it to second 5. Now in the flowchart you see your space has come to an end, so let's break it down. You can break it down over here, split. So and you can continue from here. Okay, you can split and you can continue. So after 5 second delay, what is the next step? Our next step is this one is the next step. So what we do over here? The first lane we make yellow low. For the second lane we make yellow low. For the both lane we make yellow low. That means this two step. That means lead number 2 of first lane, that is yellow, we make it off. And lead number 2 of the second lane is the lead number 5, we make it off. Okay. Then again look at the algorithm. For the first lane and for the second lane, both red lights should be low. Okay. First lane and second lane, both red light is low. That means that is our lead 1. For the first lane, that is a red light, that is low, and for the second lane, the red light is the lead number 4, that is low. Okay. Then we make for the second lane the green goes low. For the second lane the green light is light number 6, that goes low. Okay. After this, look at over here, we make red light of lane 1 is high and green light of lane 2 is high. Okay. Red light of lane 1, that means lane number 1, make it high, and the green light of lane number 2, that means light number 6, make it high. So these two steps are done. Then
স্প্লিটটা কিভাবে করলেন আরেকবার দেখাবেন?
Which one?
স্যার স্প্লিট করলেন যে লাইনটা।
Okay, very good. Okay, anywhere if you want to split, look at over here. Right click, then split. Right click on the line, any line, and split. Clear?
Oh, okay sir. Okay sir.
So after this, if you look at the algorithm, you see there is a delay of 10-second delay. So let's give the delay. This is the 10-second delay. Okay. So let's give the delay. 10-second delay. Change it to second. 10-second delay. Okay, after the delay, again look at the algorithm. What are the remaining steps? Now we make for the first lane red light low, and for the second lane green light low. Again we can split over here. Split. So for the first line red light is low, and for the second line green light is low. Red light for the first lane is the light number LED 1, that is low, and for the second lane green light is LED number 6, that is low. Okay, now let's implement the next step. Yellow light of the first lane is low, green light of the first lane is low. Yellow and green, that is LED number 2 and 3 of the first lane. LED number 2 and 3 of the first lane, they are becoming low. LED number 2, that is becoming low, and LED number 3, that is green of the first lane, that is becoming low. Okay, and then what we do for the second lane, red is low and yellow is low. For the second lane, red and yellow. So for the second lane, red is LED 4, that is low, and yellow is LED 5, that is low. Now look at your algorithm. After that, that's the end. Okay, so we are done. So come over here. That's your code. Now let's run the code. Let's save it. Okay, project is saved. Now let's run it. Hopefully it run. Okay, let's see. The project is compiling.
Solo.
It is still compiling.
Sir, run করতে
Very good. Your computer is faster than my computer, I think. Yes, compiling is done. Yes, it's I think working. If you look at the LED pattern on the right side or over here,
Yes, স্যার রান করছে।
Okay. So algorithm is first thing, okay? Once you set up the algorithm how to turn on the light one after other, then just implement by flowchart. The best advantage of this flowchart method, you don't need to be expert on coding. You don't need to be expert on syntax, how to write the code, okay, what are the right syntax of the code, nothing to worry about. Okay, you focus on your project, you focus on your goal and draw the flowchart. The system will take care of your coding. Okay, so let me just